A. Let log 7 base 49 be x. Change to exponential form. 7 is equal to 49 to the power x. X is above. So make the bases on the left and right equal. 7 is 7 to the power 1. 49 is 7 square. 7 squared to the power x is 7 to the power 2x. Now, the bases are the same, therefore 1 is 2x. X is equal to 1/2. B. Let the log value be x. Then exponential form, root 2 is equal to 4 to the power x. Root 2 is 2 to the power 1/2. So 2 to the power 1/2 is equal to 4 is 2 square. 2 square power x is 2 to the power 2x. The same base, therefore the same exponents. So 1/2 is 2x, therefore x is 1/4. C. Let it be x. Exponential form. 8 root of 10 is 10 to the power 1/8. And exponential form, 10 goes to the right, x goes up. Now the same base, therefore x is equal to 1/8. The same, and ln is log base e. So we can change to e to the power -1. Let it be x. Then exponential form, e to the power -1 is e to the power x. Therefore, x is 1 and -1. E. Let it be x. So e to the power 4 is exponential form e to the power x. The same base, therefore 4 is x, the same component. X is 4, the answer. F. F is, if you notice, you cannot enter negative value in log because the domain of log is positive numbers. So no answer, undefined. G. Let it be x. Exponential form. X is above. Make the bases equal. 64 is 2 to the power 8, right? 2 to the power 8. You can check. 8 is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 to the power x is 2 to the power 3x. So 8 is equal to 3x. Therefore, x is 8/3. H. Let it be x. Exponential form. 1/27 is equal to 3 power x. X is above. Make the same base. 27 is 27 to the power -1. 27 make the same base. So 27 is 3 power 3 to the power -1. So what is x? 3 to the power -3 is 3 to the power x. Therefore x is -3. I. Let it be x. Root 10 is 10 to the power 1/2. Exponential form, 10 goes to the right, x goes up. Now the same base, 10. So x is 1/2 is x is 1/2, the same exponent. Here j, let it be x. 0.25, but 8. 0.25 is, if you change to fractional form, 25/100. Exponential form, 8 goes to the right, x is up, 8 to the power x. So 0.25 is 1/4. So make the same base because x is above. 4 is 4 to the power -1. 8 is 2 to the power 3. 4 to the power -1 is 2 to the power 2. 4 is 2 square. 2 square power -1 is negative 2. And 2 to the power 3x. So negative 2 is 3x. X is negative 2/3. K, that will be x. Exponential form. X is above in the exponent, so make the same base, left and right. 8 is 2 to the power 3. 4 is 2 square. 2 square to the power x is 2 to the power 2x. Now the same base 2, therefore the same exponent. 3 is 2x. X is 3 half. 3 halves. Okay. L, log minus log. So change to 1 log first. And 10. So let's write in 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the power 4. Minus here 6 log root 10. Root 10 is 10 to the power 1/2. So you can move 6 up by property 7. So finally you will get log 10 to the power 1/2 times 6 is 6 by 2. Now 6 by 2 is 3. So log minus log is log of division. 10 to the power 4 above. And 6 by 2 is 3. 10 to the power 3. So log 10 to the power 4 divided by 10 to the power 3 is 10 to the power 1. Log 10. Base is 10. So log 10 base 10 is 1 by property 2. Okay, you can go like this. Here A also. Base A, and here A the same. So you can try to use property 2. Okay, cube root of a to the power 40. So what do you get? Log base A 40 by 3. So by property 3, you can use property 2, property 7 and property 2. You will get this is 40 by 3. And here E the same base. Ln is log base E. And e to the power 2/5 and 8/9 is, you can add 2/5 and 8/9. You multiply e to the power 2/5 and e to the power 8/9, then you will get e to the power 2/5 plus 8/9. So what is log e base e the same? Log e base e the same. So log and e cancel, you get 2/5 and 8/9. Okay. 2/5 and 8/9, 45. And 9 times 2, 18. 8 times 5, 45. Okay, check. 18 plus 40, sorry. 18 plus 40. So 8 times 18 plus 40 is 58. 45 below. Is there any common factor? And 45 is divided to 3 square and 5. 58 is divided into 2 square 29. So no common factor. So this is the answer. 58 over 45.